Hi, I'm Leonard Steinburg. Welcome to the heart of the West Village, where today I'm going to tour you through one of the most beautiful properties originally constructed in 1899. Follow me. This is a 20-foot wide townhouse that has been completely renovated. You're going to love it. The moment you step into this historical home, you immediately witness how it has been exquisitely transformed to adapt to today's lifestyle needs. And this one doesn't have all those small rooms associated with historic homes. Here, everything has been opened up to let the light flow in. And because all the walls have been opened up, you can really feel the width of the house, especially here in your main entertaining area. And this entire floor features Chevron-Patterned hardwood floors. They give everything a timeless sense of luxury, which is what this home is all about. It's really not hard imagining entertaining here, and with this much space, the more the merrier. We've configured the dining area as part of the living room. After all, what's better than having cocktails followed by a lavish meal? But it gets even better. Beautiful French doors facing a private courtyard allow for al fresco dining. We're talking summertime grilling all year round in your own secret garden. Let's go downstairs. For a sense of continuity, the Chevron-Patterned hardwood floors continue down here. It's truly cliché to say the kitchen is the heart of the home, but I don't know how else to say it. This is the heart of the home. This kitchen is beautifully appointed with all the accoutrements you'd expect. Beautiful Pietro Cardozo marble counters and backsplashes, custom cabinetry, and of course, that beautiful southern light. This is the sort of kitchen that could elevate you from someone who purely orders takeout to a prime chef. Before we head upstairs to the bedrooms, take note of this modern, beautiful stairway. This stairway is flooded with light from the skylight above. With this large skylight, this may be the only house in all of the West Village where you might actually need to wear sunscreen indoors. The primary bedroom suite takes up the entire top floor. It's huge. It features southern light. I mean, even the closets have windows here. And there's two of them. This loft-like bedroom features a king-size bed, a seating area, workspace, a media center. It has everything, including a special surprise. Follow me. Unlike other parts of ever-expanding New York City, height restrictions in the West Village mean sunlight all year round. And there's no better place to enjoy that sunlight than right up here on your private rooftop terrace. And the views aren't that bad either. Isn't this the perfect place for cocktails in the evening? It's also a great place to end this tour. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this modern renovation of a classic townhouse in the heart of the West Village. See you next time.
If you can't get enough of these fabulous homes and designs, then you gotta like and subscribe, because we could all use a little more fabulous in our lives, right?